December 21st, 2017, the shortest day of the year, my headlight went out. So we got this for about $11 AutoZone. We're going to change the headlight on this 1983 Mercedes Benz 300 SD turbo diesel. That runs off of waste cooking oil, but that's a different everything. So there's the fuel lines, but here we go. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to remove these twist off bolts by hand. Here's one, you just turn it off. There's two, you just turn it off. And then there's one down here. That's what you do first. And this one's for the turn signal. Then it'll come out. This housing's broken, but it'll come out, and then there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You move those. Alright, so moving right along, I got it off. Mine was broken, so it came off pretty easy. So anyways, the next thing you do, you take your Phillips screwdriver, and there's two screws there, one there and one there. And you take that off, and on the back, just like you're plugging something into the wall, it unplugs like so. And if you notice how it's sided there, or there's a one top hole, and that's there for the plastic, and the other ones are there for the metal. Okay, so we got the top 2 Phillips screwdrivers. There's also 2 on the bottom underneath, and this kind of is a little case that holds it. This one right here, this twisty right there, you didn't really need to take off, just loosen it, just so it can kind of slide out of the way for you a little bit, makes it a little easier. So we're going to do these 2, and then we're just going to plug the old bulb in. Okay, once you get it out, there is another, loosened all 4 screws. There's another plug, just like you're plugging something in the wall right there. This bulb is from June 2nd, 2008. The new one is from June 30th, 2017. So you just switch them, plug it in. Okay, so as you know, it's 10 years old. 9 years old, 9 and a half. So if you have any problems getting this off, it hasn't come off very easy for me. It's been on there 9 years. I've used a screwdriver to just pry it off. That'll kind of help. 9